Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to update mouse driver in Windows 10. Step 1. Right-click the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens a quick access menu that lets you reach important system tools without opening multiple windows. Step 2. Click on Device Manager from the list. Device Manager is a built-in Windows tool that shows all the hardware connected to your computer and allows you to manage their drivers. Step 3. Double-click on mice and other pointing devices to expand the category. This section displays all mouse-related hardware currently installed on your system. Step 4. Right-click on your mouse device from the list. This opens a context menu where you can access settings and driver-related options for that specific device. Step 5. Click on Properties to open the Device Settings window. Here, you can view detailed information about your mouse, including its driver status. Step 6. Click on the Driver tab inside the Properties window. The Driver tab contains options to update, roll back, or uninstall the mouse driver. Step 7. Click on Update Driver to start the update process. This option allows Windows to check if a newer and more compatible driver is available. Step 8. Select Search automatically for drivers when prompted. Windows will now search online and on your system for the latest available mouse driver. Step 9. Wait for the driver to install if an update is found. During this process, Windows applies the new driver to improve performance and fix potential issues. Step 10. Restart your computer once the installation is complete. Restarting ensures the updated mouse driver works properly and all changes are applied. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.